Welcome to our fourth Family Make and Play board games. We are going to use simple materials we can find at home to create a game that can be played by the whole family. My name is Miss Karen and I'm the children's programmer at Pioneer Park Library. Today, my little cat friend Sammy and I will be creating a fun papered fortune teller game. You can download easy fortune teller patterns online, but I will be showing you how to make your own. For this activity, you need scissors, a sheet of plain paper, a ruler, some markers, plus your imagination. You can make your fortune teller any size, but it is easier to fold and decorate if it is at least 6 by 6 inches or larger. Take your paper and use your ruler to measure out a square shape. You could also fold over the top left corner to the long edge and draw a line at the bottom. This will give you a square. Sammy used a ruler and cut out a square. Fortune tellers take a little practice learning how to fold, so see the diagram that Sammy has drawn to give you instructions on how to fold your paper to make the proper shape. It took Sammy a few tries. There are loads of patterns online and instructions on how to fold them if you need extra help. Follow the instructions till you create a square, then have your markers ready. You are going to start decorating your fortune teller now. On the side with the 4 triangles that lift up, start writing the numbers from 1 to 8 on each triangle. Flip the square over. On the opposite side, it has 4 smaller squares. Color each square a different color. Now flip it over again and unfold the triangles that you wrote the numbers on. Write out some fun challenges on the blank side. Sammy wanted to make a scavenger hunt, so each triangle asks you to find something. Once you're finished, fold the triangles back to make a square. Then fold the square in half both ways and slip 2 thumbs and 4 fingers into each of the sections. Sammy will show you how, and you can refer to the instructions that were at the start of the video or watch a YouTube on how to make and play a fortune teller. Taking turns, one player puts on the fortune teller and moves it back and forth. Ask your friend to pick a color, number, then unfold to see the instruction. Sammy's challenge was to find a blue sock. You could write any instruction that you want to play, such as tell a joke, sing a song, or jump up and down. After your turn, let your friend use the fortune teller and you pick the color, number, and question. Join me and Sammy next week for the last fun installment of KPL Presents Family Make and Play. Next week, we're going to make a game of tic-tac-toe on the go, so join me again